Come on!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you about the competition, the Maze Robotic Maze Competition. For the student, even though they are robot, most of them their robot didn't work, but the student really enjoyed the competition. So I'm going to show you from the beginning when we build a structure for the maze until the day of the competitions. Stay tuned.
Come on! Yes? Yes. Ultrasonic is no longer sensing. If it's closer to the wall like that, it's no longer sensing. Then it's stuck. Yeah. You want to pick it up? No. No. You want to give it a chance? No, pick it up. Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pick it up. Go to start.
I'm going to run again. Yeah, hurry.
No, don't run. Put it down.
The sense?
That's what I'm saying. Do what you have to do to get it to work again.